Hi guys, how are you today? I'm Dimple. I'm gonna share you my closet organization today. And when I moved in here, I had certain plan to how to organize my closet, but by the time I couldn't keep up with, like sometimes some extra stuff come in and it get messed again. Sometimes I have to hide some stuff from my kids and all those stuff going on. Sometimes I shop a lot and then I don't put it back to the where it goes and it always messed. And so that is why I'm like, let me do it all closet makeover today. Not a makeover, but organization again. So whenever I go to the Dollar Tree or Walmart or any other places, I always look for the organizers. What, like 10 of them? I always buy like 5, 10, like that. So one closet you have all same containers and they looks awesome. So try to maintain same pattern or same container so they will look more better than the different color and different sizes. And so let's go to the organizational process. Let's see the present condition of my closet. You can see I have different kind of totes, bins and containers in small little space, and I also have so many other stuff which not supposed to be in here. Let's see, I have some bag stuff which I shopped recently. Here also some bag stuff, some more stuff which should not be here, and they are here. So let's begin. Empty everything. I'm gonna empty everything from my whole closet. Okay, helping mommy.
Helping mommy.
So finally I empty out everything, and here you can see all mess in my bedroom. It's all out except my hanging clothes and drawers, which I'm not gonna organize today. When the whole closet is empty, it is good time to clean. So give it a good clean, wipe off all the cells and baseboards and vacuum, and it's good to go. So I bought some more velvet hangers which I'm already using in my closet. If you use the same hangers in a whole closet, they will look awesome and seamless. So try to use it same. So nowadays everybody moving towards the velvet hangers. Why? I will tell you the 3 reasons. First of all, your cloth doesn't slip off because it's velvet, so it will stay in place. Second, if you hang a wrong side and you have to hang like that, then you can just turn this one and you can easily hang it because it's turnable. And the third one is these are more slimmer than the regular plastic hangers, so you can fit more clothes than usual. This is one of my fabric tote which I'm using to put all my western dresses, and in the empty side I'm gonna put my daughter's western dresses. Let's place in my closet, and I'm gonna put it over there. And this is all my random stuff like lotions and my vitamins and all those. I put it in one container. I put other tote in a top to get idea. I'm keeping some of my Indian outfits in this fabric tote with the zip in it. So try to make it keep handy and dust free because it have a zip. These are some of my kurtis and leggings. Those fabric organizers, I bought it from the India, but I can link you down below the similar organizers you can buy online. So if you are interested to buy it, you can check in the description box. Here is some art and craft supplies. I put it in a one tote, and some other random stuff like socks and this and that, and I'm trying to keep it everything in a separate containers, and I'm putting on myself. And this is so far I am come up with how it looks. If you are using a box, use 2 or more. I had this big tote holding only acrylic colors, so I just shift in this wooden crate and moving to garage. all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching today. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you.